What's up? What's up, everyone? It is Jason, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you some thoughts and perspectives for DJs that are entering the private event, the wedding event, the party scene from the club world. I just got hit up on Instagram this morning, and I want to share with you the message that I got, and I want to share with you the reply that I gave. And I'm not going to say who it came from, but I am grateful for the opportunity to share it with you all, because I think this message hopefully will connect with people visiting me here on this platform. And I just appreciate all the love, support, and energy around this channel. I am doing my best to share real life lessons, real life situations, and real life everything here, so that people looking to further and better their business, their DJ performances, their DJ career can hopefully sidestep some obstacles and some situations that could cost you a lot of time, energy, or money to be better. And that's what this channel is all the way about and all about. And if you're new to the channel, I would take this opportunity to say, support me and the hustle here with some sub love down below. I would be grateful, and it would mean the world to me. And that's what this channel is all about. So if you feel me, join me, and I appreciate you being here. So check it out. This is the message I received this morning. I woke up. I did a wedding last night. It's Thursday morning. I did a Wednesday night wedding up at Park Savoy. It was insane. I'm going to share some footage of it on this channel in the future, but this is the message. I've been following you for many years, and you've been such an inspiration. So I just want to say thank you for that. I appreciate that. I'm a club-style DJ who's getting back into the wedding game since COVID. I was DJing in San Diego before the lockdown and found myself back in Florida. I don't really enjoy weddings, but there is a gold mine there. Do you have any advice? Question mark. I know that's the saying, if you don't like it, learn to love it. Any response would be greatly appreciated. So first and foremost, I appreciate this message. And if you want to ask me a question or want me to maybe even respond to you here on this channel, send me a message on my Instagram, because that's where I actually pay attention to. That's what I actually read the messages on. And I might not be immediate with my reply, but I will get back to you eventually. And that's at Jason Jani if you're not connected with me there on Instagram. So my reply is this. Thank you for this. First off, I am grateful that I had someone's attention and they followed me, and I've been an inspiration for them. I appreciate that. That's why I share so much content. My advice is simple. Stay true to who you are and how you play. Adapt that style to the wedding space and have fun cultivating a following of people looking for exactly what you do. Don't settle. Don't cut corners. Build relationships with everyone you possibly can, everywhere you can. Appreciate the world around you. And I want to add to this, because that's kind of how I signed off. I said, much love, man. Thank you for the message. But I want to also share this that I hear Gary Vee talking about all the time, but I think that this really hits home in the private event space and people looking to climb up the DJ ranks in whatever industry they're working in. And it is to imply or implore or just have patience. I think patience is key in the entertainment industry. Nothing great happens overnight. It takes a long time. Yesterday, I listened to a podcast or a video from Russell Brunson, this mastermind marketing guy. And he talked about how it took him 10 years to build this relationship and to have this business that he is so proud of, and one that's worth billion with a B dollars. And it's about patience. Don't look to cut corners, to take the shortcuts. Really, really do the right thing and stay true to yourself. That's the overall message that I think everyone needs to understand. If you want something and you want something bad enough, you have to be willing to do the work to get there. Every action and everything that you do should have thought behind it. And you have to be patient. Nothing's going to happen immediately. Nothing's going to happen the next day. You have to stay consistent and patiently build, patiently create. Stay true to yourself. And I think that message really, really hopefully will hit home with people that are following me and supporting this channel, because everyone has the opportunity to do anything and everything they want to do in this world, in this industry, and in life. You just have to think sometimes differently than where you are. You have to surround yourself with different people that can help push you up. and you have to do the work. I think that's what it's all about. I'm a big fan about staying authentic. I'm a big fan of staying true to who you are. And I am a big fan of sharing content, sharing what you do, and building a universe of people that can follow you or support you or desire what you do. And I think that's the key here. Not all private events or all weddings need to be terrible. When I started this business, all weddings were terrible in my area. Everyone relied on the electric slide and the Cupid shuffle and all the bullshit that I don't like to do. I believe in the art of DJing, and I believe if you play the right songs at the right time, people will dance. And there's nothing wrong with any music. It's just how you interpret it and how you apply it. I'm not someone that relies on line dances. I'm not someone that even plays line dances. I don't even know the last time I have played one of these songs. The point is, I stayed true to who I am, what I believe in, what I enjoy doing. And by the good graces of the world around me, people started to desire that style of event in my area and beyond. And it's allowed me to build up the SCE event group, amass this incredibly dope pool of talent around me that all embrace sometimes similar, sometimes different styles than me. And we as a community or a tribe help so many different people. And that's the overall message. Stay true to yourself, work incredibly hard, don't settle, be consistent, be patient, and just do the work. And I hope this connects with someone somewhere. If you like the message, please smash the thumbs up video. If you have a question, comment, or whatever, you can throw it in the comments field down underneath this video. You can message me on Instagram, and I will do my best to either respond to you, create a video, or do something in the future. I appreciate you supporting me in this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. One more video on deck about the things that I never really thought about when I started my business and things I wish I knew maybe before I started my business. I want to put it right over here or here or here. Anyway, it's up on the screen. Check out that video. Be on the lookout for more content coming right here. Thanks for watching. Peace.